In our greenhouse this week, we will look at the Oxypot Hydroponic Planter. Check out these Trinidad Scorpion and Carolina Reaper chilies growing in our Oxypot Planter. These are amongst the most hottest chilies in the world at 2 million scoville units.
These bad boys. Trinidad Scorpion and Carolina Reaper, there's one plant of each, but they're all mingled into each other. So I'm not going to bother separating them out.
They've grown effortlessly in our planter, which is a deep water culture method of growing, which means the roots are constantly submerged in highly oxygenated water. There's no timer to manage, and you're never at risk of waterlogging or the plants drying out. Gardening Angel Paul harvests the fruits of the plant in preparation for a spicy dish. Try them yourself if you dare. For more information on the Oxypot, go to greenhousesensation.co.uk and don't forget to like and share this video.